What's that, honey? Oh.
Woo!
Oh, he has to do it himself. Go ahead, hon.
Get on it. Sit.
Nah.
You gonna sit? Go ahead and ride it. You ride it.
Whoa. Honey, you gotta sit on it. You can ride it.
Ride it, yeah. Sit. Sit.
Put him.
You did out back when you first got it, remember?
Maybe if you put him on it and show him with his feet what to do. Dad, does show you.
Yeah.
Now, take it easy, honey. Wait till you see what it does. Wait till you see. Okay, I guess we're going to end this video a little early.
You're supposed to sit and do that with your foot.
Wow. Ding, 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 ding. You're not going to ride it? You're not going to ride it, honey? Get on and ride. Ride it around.
That pedal doesn't do anything.
Okay, I guess we'll end the video now. Bye-bye.